Designrr is a great and popular app that allows you to create spectacular ebooks and PDFs, reports, Kindle books, leadmagnets, animated flipbook and so on. Designrr works with a web browser. For example, you can create ebooks from your blog posts, Word docs, Google Docs or any other text sources easily and quickly. You can use hundreds of templates and millions of royalty-free images. Designrr includes Table of Contents Creator, built-in image editor and animated flipbook generator. If you want, you can start creating an ebook from scratch. You can publish your work in 12 different page sizes. Designrr costs only $27 and is a one-time fee if you use the link below this video. The program is used by over 100,000 satisfied customers around the world. You find the link to Designrr below this video in description text. Let's create an ebook and also a flipbook based on a blog post. I can create this ebook in 7 steps. First, I have to highlight the blog post's web address and copy it to the clipboard. Then I go to Designrr app and choose Import from blog post and paste that copied web address to the form field and click Fetch. After that, I choose a template. There are hundreds of templates to choose from in the all kind of niches. I can click on a specific template and see what it looks like. I can edit all things like fonts, styles, colors, spacing, etc. I can add images and edit them. I can choose the image I want to put on the page from millions of images. You can easily find the image you want by using the search function. The source is free images from Pixabay and Unsplash. Let's add new text to the ebook using the Google Docs text by copying the web address and pasting it into the Designrr and clicking Import. Then I have to choose a new cover page for my ebook. For this I use the search function. Once I have found a suitable image, I click on the Use button. Finally, I will change the name of the author, maybe edit the text in its layout, and publish the book. This is how an ebook or flipbook is completed. Designrr is used by over 100,000 publishers in 83 countries. Thanks for watching. You find the link to Designrr below this video. Designrr costs only $27 for the rest of your life if you use the link below this video. It is a one-time fee.